Okay guys, so I ordered the supercharger for the YXZ. I was notified the other day from Vivid Racing that they were going to ship it this coming Tuesday. So my plan now is to start prepping the machine for the installation, which is going to be quite a bit of work. I got to take the radiator out that I had installed here in the bed, because the bed has to come out, and start ripping some other stuff out too. But I'll do a quick time lapse showing me ripping the stuff out. Alright guys, so I've been chipping away at the YXZ, taking off panels and plastics and everything, getting ready for the supercharger. I got to the point where it's time to take this bed off, and from what I've seen online, it's not easy. Half the time people end up having to take the cage off. I normally have 2 or 3 guys trying to wheel it out at one time. I'm by myself here today, so I'm going to see if I can get it. If not, I'm going to have a couple of my buddies come over and help me, but let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm probably going to stop here for the day. The next step is to take the airbox off, and I don't want to leave that off the top of the motor where dirt and debris can get inside. So the supercharger is supposed to get here probably within a week or so. It's supposed to be about a 4-hour job. I'm guessing I probably knocked about a half hour or an hour off of that. So I took the bed off. That was a huge pain in the butt. Just getting it to come around the roll cage here, even after you bend it and stuff, it likes to catch on things, and just wasn't easy. So I had to take the cross beam off here. There's a cross beam that connected here to here. I took that off and it made it a lot easier. And I have all these panels off too, because I plan on painting. The orange is going to be like a silver color now. Let me give that a shot, see how that looks. I'm just doing plasti dip, so it might not even last very long. I might hit a tight trail and have some branches scraped down the side, and that'll be the end of that. I'm going to see how durable it is. It was only $100 for the kit that they recommended, so I'll give it a shot. I'll try to be careful on the trails, but you know how that goes. Okay guys, that's it for now. I'll post another video after the supercharger kit gets here, and we'll get that slapped on. Okay.